Hi, welcome back to Sean's Eye View, and in this video we're going to take you around the Siam area, starting with Siam Square. So it's right next to the BTS here, very busy place, it's the main hub. And here is Siam Square One Mall, right next to the station. We'll be heading down there shortly. So Siam Station is the intersection of both the Sukhumvit and the Silom BTS lines. The four platforms, very busy, big interchange. You come out the station and you can walk straight into the mall. Convenient. Hey, this is Bangkok, it's hot, you don't want to walk too far. And of course there was a promotion event going on, there always is. This one was something Hello Kitty co-branded. Yeah, maybe not the target market for me. Worth pointing out though, you see on the left all those personal items in individual spaces. This is how young Thai people reserve their spot at a crowd event. Obviously there's going to be some kind of performance or celebrity appearance, so people like to book ahead. Yeah, so like there's a Starbucks over there, and then once you've had your coffee in there, you can cross over here and go to the other one. I'm not sure what the difference is. So as you can see, this mall is very focused on youth brands. There's a big university nearby. It's a popular area for young kids and youngsters to come and hang out. And so, yeah, maybe not the sort of place I'd go shopping, but it's a nice walk through and you get to experience a bit more of life in Bangkok. But this brand clearly aimed at me. And so the mall leads through to Siam Square Street Zone, which is pedestrianised and has more boutiques, restaurants, cafes, all sorts of things, and we'll take you on a tour. And there, in the blue shorts and white shirts, that's a Thai school uniform. Yeah, quite distinct. So if you're looking for a cup of coffee, this is the only place in the area I recommend, the Cassette Coffee Bar. It's cool. Let's head inside. We were very lucky, as you'll see, there was nobody else here when we got in. So it's designed like a hotel lobby, very Wes Anderson. But being called Cassette, it means the music is 80s, and it's almost as if you taped it straight off the top 40 on a Sunday night. It's great the number of restaurants around here that have amazing wall decorations and mascots. Let's pick a few out. So there used to be a very grand, elegant 1960s cinema, the Scala, in this area. Unfortunately, it was demolished right during COVID, so we didn't get to visit or record it. Shame. And here is Chester's, a junk food chain, which a friend of ours claims he used to come here after school nearly every day of the week, a long time ago. So there you have it, that's Siam Square. As we head back up to the main road, and you can see across the street, Siam Paragon. We'll be going there in the next video. So thank you for watching. Here's some other videos from Bangkok that you might enjoy. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and now you can support the channel by becoming a member. We'd like to hear from you. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye-bye.